What's up, YouTube?
Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami fortune teller. Let's start this! Okay, so what you are going to do very first is make a square. Just get a normal piece of paper, then get your inches, and this, you're going to measure this. It's 8.5, so go on to here, get to 8.5, and get your pencil and just do a little mark there, like that. Okay, and then get your scissors and cut across on that mark. Okay, so now we have the square. So you're going to get the bottom left side and fold it up like this. Okay, and then crease it. Make a good crease. Okay, then unfold it. Now you have this. Now get your bottom corner, or like that, and get your right corner, fold it up to your top left, and then crease it. Good. That was not a good one. Okay, so we have that. We're going to unfold it now. And you have your X, okay? And what you're going to do now is get all your sides and fold them into the middle crease. Do you see that middle part? In between the X. Fold all your sides to that. Then just fold all 4 sides just like that. And after that, you should have this with all 4 sides coming in. Turn it over. Do the same on this side. Put all 4 flaps into the middle. Okay, so now grab your fortune teller and you can just fold this in half. Okay, so this is what you just did. Get the bottom side facing you, fold it in half. Then you can crease this. Yeah, so like that. And then just slip your fingers into these things on the bottom, like that. And then just kind of push them into the middle, all the sides, like that, just like that. Okay. My fortune teller doesn't look that good because my folds weren't that good, but there it is. And then in these middle parts, on these 4 sides, right, like you can draw like colors on it. I'm going to do colors. Green, green, then this will be blue, blue, red, red, orange, orange. So there you have your colors. You can do like numbers or whatever you want. Okay, now when you have your fortune teller, you can color these if you want, these things. And you tell them a number, then they'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have your orange and that stuff. And then if you fold it open, yeah, so in these middle things right here, it's called a fortune teller for a reason. So you're gonna write like a fortune, whatever you want, like, because I love dogs, maybe you will get a dog. Or maybe you want like you'll get $1 million. Just stuff like that, like fortunes and that stuff. So you just write whatever you want on these 4 things. And then after you're done, you slip your fingers into the pockets. And then you see a number, let's say it was 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have them pick, and then we have blue and orange in there. So you would say blue, orange, and then they'd pick one, and then you flip it open, and you have what you wrote right there. And that is it. Here is your fortune teller, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to see more. Brady. Bye.